Hilliard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Sherly Veronisa and my friends
Rizky Padlansyah,
Irfan Windy,
from the Land and Building Tax Project team of the Tax Management Department, Faculty of Economic and Business, Universitas Negeri Padang. Today I am delighted to share with you a topic that is important and relevant, which is land and building tax. In our presentation today, we will explore key aspects related to land and building tax, from its definition to legal principles and its impact in the context of financial and regional development. Without further ado, let's our journey in understanding more about land and building tax. The first discussion will be explained by Rizky. To Rizky, time is yours.
Diskusi 1 is definition of land and building tax. Land and building tax is a tax imposed on individuals or legal entities that own, control, or benefit from building and or have right or benefit over land surface. Land and building tax is a property tax, and the amount of tax owed in is determined by the condition of the object, namely land and or buildings. The taxpayer status who pays does not determine the tax amount. Next is legal basis and principles of land and building tax. The legal basis of land and building tax, or LBT, is regulated in Law Number 12 of as amended by Law Number 12 of 1994. These amendments are intended to provide ease, simplicity, legal certainty, and to avoid double taxation. Next is taxpayer of land and building tax. Taxpayer of land and building tax are individual or business entities that have real right over land and or the benefit from land and or benefit from buildings.
Okay, thank you to Rizky. Got it. Yozi will be explaining the next topic in your presentation on land and building tax. Yozi, time is yours.
Object of land and building tax. Number 1, land. Then refer to the earth surface and the earth body beneath it. The earth surface includes and land and inland waters, including swamp and inland waters, as well as the sea within the territory of the Republic of Indonesia. In determining the classification of land, factor such as location, destination, benefit, and environmental condition need to be considered. Next. Number 2. Building are technical construction permanently embedded or attached to land and or water. Building include environmental road within a building complex, pool road, swimming pool, luxurious fences, sport facilities, cyclist docks, luxurious gardens, oil, water, and gas stroke, dan fasilitas oil pipes, other fasilitas that provide benefit.
Great. You will be explaining the next topic. Is there anything specific you would like assistance with, or any aspect of your explanation that you like discuss? Next example. Mr. Syukur owns a small house and land worth 11 million. Does Mr. Syukur have to pay land and building tax? No, Mr. Syukur is not required to pay land and building tax on his tax object because the sales value of the tax object is less than the non-taxable sales value, or NJOP. 2. Land and building tax rate. The land and building tax rate is set at 0.5, but the actual payment amount is determined by several factors include land and building area, taxable sales value, or NJOP, which is the object's area multiplied by the selling price per square meter. Taxable sales value, or NJKP, set as a minimum of 20 and a maximum of 10% of the taxable sales value. Next example, Mrs. Dewi tax has a land tax object with an NJOP of 14 million and building NJOP of 15 million. What is Miss Tax do in the tax assessment notice, or SPPT? It will appear as follows. Okay, thank you. Thank you for presentation today. Hopefully useful and clearly and understood. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.